The Gospel of Thomas. How not to taste death and find happiness. The Gospel of Thomas was found in Nag Hammadi, Egypt in 1945. It was not included in the Bible and branded Gnostic. I am Roberto Lima Neto, and I believe that our objective in life is to find happiness, and that spirituality and Jungian psychology, my main areas of interest, can help us in this search for happiness. Saying number 1. These are the hidden words that the living Jesus spoke, and Didymus Judas Thomas wrote them down. And he said, "Whoever finds the meaning of these words will not taste death." In the year 367, Athanasius, Bishop of Alexandria, ordered all the books he considered heretic or Gnostic destroyed. Fortunately, some monks didn't agree and buried several ones in a jar in the hillside near the city of Nag Hammadi in Egypt. In 1945, they were found. The Gospel of Thomas was one of the pearls recovered. It contains 114 precious sayings of Jesus. Some of these sayings also appear in the canonical Gospels, but 35 of them are known for the first time. Most of these sayings are difficult to understand, what might have been the reason for not being included in the canonical Gospels. With the concepts of Jungian psychology, we will attempt to explain them, warn you that symbolic sayings may have more than one valid and correct understanding. Initially, I want to call your attention that Thomas was one of the 12 apostles and had direct contact with Jesus. Was he one that wrote the Gospel? The answer is no. At the time, the transmission of the Gospel was done orally. This was true for Thomas' Gospel as well as for the ones included in the Bible. Therefore, no Gospel can be dismissed with this argument. All of us have a soul, better saying, are a soul, and this soul is immortal. The Eastern religions, which preach reincarnation, say that the body is only a temporary closing that our soul carries for this life on earth. Jesus preached absolute priority for the soul, our immortal soul. He says, "Whoever finds the meaning of these words will not taste death." The body will die, will decompose, its molecules may enter other organisms, but we, the soul, are immortal, will not taste death. In the East, this truth is recognized, and the result is that death is not feared as we do in the Western world. After all, keeping in mind that we are not a body but a soul, death does not exist. The soul is immortal. I invite you to visit my site to access my other videos and for additional information. I also invite you to download the free ebook, Shortcuts to Happiness. My site is happinessacademyonline.org. I wish you happiness. Thanks for your time and attention.